Hey guys, so I just wanted to make a quick video about lesson 7, which does absolute values. And so I chose question number 8, which asks you to solve the absolute value inequality of the absolute value of 2 minus 7x, which is greater than or equal to 5. So in this case, we have to create two equations that we're going to solve. And so the rule of thumb is you have your original inequality, so you have 2 minus 7x, which is greater than or equal to 5. But then you also have to have your negative 5 value. So that's going to be our second equation that we're going to solve. So we're going to have negative 5, which is going to be greater than or equal to 2 minus 7x, because it's the opposite sign of your original inequality that you're given. And so now it's just a matter of solving these two inequalities for x, and we should find our solution. So in this case, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So we're left with negative 7x, which is greater than or equal to 3. We're going to divide by negative 7. And see how this positive number on the right-hand side now becomes negative? That means our sign is going to flip. We're changing our sign from greater than or equal to less than or equal to negative 3 over 7. So that's something to be really careful about. So now on this equation, we're going to solve for x on this side. So subtract 2 from both sides. We're left with negative 7 is greater than or equal to negative 7x. Divide by negative 7. Again, because this is a negative value over here, but it's turning positive, our sign is going to flip again. So we actually have 1, which is less than or equal to x. So then that's how we know that x falls outside of that interval. So it's going to fall between negative infinity to negative 3 over 7, because it could be less than or equal to. And then it could be greater than or equal to 1. So it could be between 1 and infinity. And so that's how we're left with our negative infinity to negative 3/7 represented with a bracket that we know based on this inequality. Because we have greater than or equals to, we know that these points could be included in our answer. And so we're going to use a bracket to represent both. So then union 1 to infinity, where negative 3 over 7 and 1 are both included and represented with a bracket. And that's it. That's all there is to this one. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and thanks for watching.